everyone, hope you had a nice day. And today, March the 9th, 2021, as you may or may not be aware, is the 15th anniversary of the release of Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, and also happens to be my 15th birthday. So I decided to make a special trilogy of tutorials just for these three softwares. And as always, remember to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And yeah, without any further ado, 15th anniversary special, everything you need to know about Google Docs and more. Alright, we're starting with Google. You go to Google Docs over here. You can see, click on Google Docs over there. You'll get to Google Docs. You'll see a template gallery over here. The templates, you can organize by who owns it, when was it modified. You can change it into a grid view or a list view, organized by alphabetical order, or open the file picker, which teleports you to Google Drive. And yeah, over here you can change your account. Right, so as you can see here, there's a template gallery which gives you a little bit of a range, how to format your document, etc. But for now, we want to go with a default blank template, which is the template used most of the time. So firstly, we're going to want to give this document a title, which is currently named Untitled Document, but let's name it Tutorial Document 01. Over here you can star this, which marks this document important. Move, you can choose a file location. Over here, add random folder. Move here, and it's done. And over here you can see the document status. It says every change you make automatically save to drive. Over here you can comment on specific words or specific parts of the text. So we're going to cut paste some text here, show you what a comment actually will end up looking like. So comment, right? That's comment. So you can open it. There's a comment thread. You can reply, and then you can resolve this hide discussion. Over here you can share this document to you notice here there's a settings, editors can change, viewers and commenters, that stuff. Copy link, you can share to anyone with the link, only people added can open the link. So let's see, share it to my other account. Notify people, don't notify people. You can view, comment, or edit. There's a title, and then send. It's officially shared. So now we're going to systematically approach these features in Docs. Docs has a pretty lot of features, but we can explain all these quickly. So there's a menu over here, the file, edit, view, insert, format, etc. And starting with file, we can there's several features, include share, we've already gone over that. New, you can create a new document straight from here, from a template, or you can create any one of these. Open, you can open any Google Drive file, specifically a Google document. Or here you could make a copy of this document by changing the title, the folder, sharing the same people, comments and suggestions, etc. Change the title over here. Here you could email the document, or you could download this document in different formats, including EPUB, Microsoft Word, Open Document Format, PDF, etc. You can do the version history, which isn't going to be really useful. You can rename the document by clicking on rename in file, or you can just click over here. Click over here and rename. Right. So you can move this drive folder. You can add it to a random folder, move here instead. Dismiss. Then this is pretty much same stuff. You can print by clicking over here, print preview, page setup, language. You can change the language of this document. So say change it to English. And yeah, nothing happens. Okay. You have to manually translate it, that's why. Okay. Page setup, that's print. So edit over here is pretty obvious. Undo, redo, cut something, copy something, paste something, select all, Control A, find and replace, which is a useful little tool if you want to replace specific things, like say type and replace with Q, replace, you'll see that been replaced with Q. Pretty nice. And then select all, does this. You can insert is the most useful of these menu items. You can insert an image, upload from computer, or you can search the web, which redirects you to Google Images. Image. Random images. It's nice. So you can have any of these options. Insert a table, which makes you, which creates a graph for you. Pretty nice. It goes up to 20 by 20. Goes up to 20 by 20 at maximum. Minimum 1 by 1. So let's see, 4 by 5 table, see how it ends up. That's how it ends up. So keep the table here. Insert table. You can do nice little things with a table. You can insert row below, insert row above, insert column left, right. You can delete the row, you can delete the column, or you can do nice little properties with the table. It's going to be more useful for sheets because that is a table, so yeah. Insert drawing, you can do a new drawing, or from drive, insert chart. Again, that's more of a sheets type of feature, but if you want to, it's nice knowing it's there. Insert horizontal line, which does this. If you want to break up your document into parts, insert footnote, which inserts a footnote. Insert special characters is particularly useful because then if you don't have a keyboard for a specific language, you can just over here and insert specific characters. Like I believe that's an accent aigu, French. There, it's typed. And you can pretty much draw anything, or you can type like degree symbol. See, like you type degree symbol. Over here you can get the degree symbol. You can type or you can draw. And you know what's really interesting is you know how if you want to like do a math equation, you can still do that. You can type the equation here. You can do say x, and then you would be math operations, x squared, and square root of that, etc. You probably, mathematicians out there probably know how to use this tool, so miscellaneous operations. Here, yeah. So, right. Headers and footers are pretty obvious. They repeat every time you do a new page. Same for the footer, unless you change it. Page numbers are pretty nice because you can format it if you like going to print this document. It's pretty nice having page numbers. If you say writing a book on Google Documents, you can just have it here. Page numbers at the bottom left. And I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it should be there. Probably not there because of the title page. Page break just makes a new page right there. And oh, you can see the page number. Insert a link makes a hyperlink. So okay, sure. You can add a link to any document that you have, as well as any link you can cut, paste, and enter. It automatically makes a new hyperlink. Comment, bookmark a specific position. Say bookmark here. That adds a bookmark right there. Table of contents. Again, same as the page thing. It's nice. Anyways, format is pretty, it's in this menu. Most of the format stuff is already in this menu, but in case you don't know, here it is. Bold, italic, underline, strike through, that stuff. Size of the thing, increase font size, decrease font size by 1 point. Capitalize, like this. Capitalizes lowercase, all uppercase, and capitalizes every letter of every first word, like in title format. Paragraph styles, this is already here. Align and indent, also there. Left, center, right, justified. Single space, the line spacing, columns, bullets, numbering. Headers and footers, yeah, that's pretty much the same stuff. These are tools, pretty nice. Is a inbuilt docs grammar checking. Word count gives you the word count. And if you can select a specific range, you can get the word count for that specific range. You can click that. Oh yeah. Tools, word count, compare document citations. Explore, which redirects you to stuff you've written about. Well, but this isn't really accurate, but sometimes it acts up, but usually it's pretty accurate. Dictionary. So say dictionary. What does a dictionary mean? Okay. Wow. Dictionary. There you go. So you have a dictionary inbuilt in here. Translate document. It automatically gives you a copy of the document and translates it into a specific language. So say translate this in English. Well, there's okay. That wasn't really. Well, it's supposed to translate it. It's because this is a filler text. And yeah, this is pretty much, yeah. Add-ons, you can install some add-ons to do some nice cool stuff with docs. And help is, yeah, it's the help features. Now these we've already gone over. Back button, forward button, print, spelling, grammar check. Paint, which is a really nice thing you can do. Instead of selecting like this, with paint you can select like this. Automatically selects up and down and up and down. You do that. It's not really useful, but it's nice. This is zoom, fit to screen, or zoom to mega size, or zoom to very, very small size. Changes the formatting of the text. Heading 1, heading 2, that's title, normal text. Arial changes the font, Times New Roman. And this changes the font size. 11, this is bold, italic, underline. Changes the text color. And this highlights everything, like that. This allows you to insert a link. Nice. Converts the document into a hyperlink. It converts everything you've... This thing, when you click link, it's automatically the title of the link. You can change it into anything over here, and that automatically becomes a link title, which is pretty nice. Over here, this is automatically set to left align, but you can change it to center align, right align, or justify. This is line spacing. Automatically default at 1.15, but you can change line spacing to single, 1.15, 1.5, and double spacing. There we go. This is a numbered list, bulleted list, indents. This is the back forward indent. There's back indent. Clear formatting. It's nice. You can edit the document directly, or you can suggest. When we do this, it's suggestion. It doesn't really edit, but it notifies your collaborators that you've done something. So that's about it for doc.